Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your live version and backing up preferences. This prevents accidental loss. Open Ableton and press Ctrl+ or CMD+ on Mac to open Preferences. Once Preferences is visible, switch to the Look/Feel tab so you can preview built-in themes. Make sure Live is closed after you note defaults, because changing files requires Live not running. While Live is closed, locate the Preferences, CFG, and the Themes folder in the Installation or User library, so you're ready for. Now you'll install or modify the theme files directly. If you downloaded a theme, copy the Ask Theme Live 11 or Ask Live 10 into the Themes directory inside the Ableton or User library. If you're editing colors, open the theme file in a plain text editor, change hex color values, and keep formatting exact. Incorrect syntax breaks the theme. Once edits are saved in UTF-8, ensure file permissions allow read access. Close the editor and prepare to relaunch Live to apply changes. Relaunch Live and go straight to Preferences Look/Feel to choose your new theme. Live reads theme files on startup. If the theme doesn't appear, make sure Live was restarted and the file sits in the correct themes folder. Clear Live's cache or rescan libraries if needed. If colors render incorrectly or UI glitches occur, close Live and restore your backed up preferences, or remove the custom theme file, then restart. One troubleshooting tip. Incorrect syntax in the theme file is the most common issue. Validate formatting and character encoding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.